Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Wednesday. This live stream is for public. So hopefully everyone could see my screen now. Morning, Bova, BJ, Shogun. Share the link with your friends if you want. Let's start as usual with daily chart on Bitcoin. Well, hey Kos, hey Sebastian. Well, we have a 3-ball fractal here. Not the best one, not in the best location, actually ugly location. And it didn't fire yet. It's there, but we need the price to even confirm this 3-bar fractal. We need the price below this level. Huh? You can see 1, 2, 3, and if market will trade below, then okay. But you can see we front run 61.8. We touched 61.8 from this high, and we just made a new high here, higher high here, higher low here. Let's see if we'll form a range, triangle breakout like we like to joke on Discord, or we can push higher. For the moment, looking at overall market, I think Bitcoin is safe above 60k. As much as is holding that level as support, well, everything is nice and clean, at least in my view. Indicators here, well, nothing special. You can see RSI on daily, it's above 50, which is a nice sign of strength. Nice to see RSI holding 50 level. We had a bounce here. We touched a short 3 low zone if you take the swing high, swing low. We rejected, but overall, well, I don't see why we should drop like a hammer for the moment. Yeah, I know we have kind of bad news indeed. More than 60k Bitcoin could be on sale from United States. They are allowed to sell that one. Will be that a bad news? Well, they could use that as a bad news, but I think they already have buyers for that Bitcoin. Just my 2 cents. Will the price will go down if they want? Yeah. But I don't know if they want to break Bitcoin price now below, at least below 50k, not 60. Yeah, we are deep in the bull market. Maybe one last drop, that will be like a gift for us, but who knows? And then to go up. Yeah, we are close to the exponential phase, guys. Don't kid yourself. We can drop, but overall, we are closer and closer to the moment we waited for 3 years. I know the patience is not there anymore. I know it's hard to wait, but at the end, it's up to you. You can stay here, or you can close everything and go and do your daily job. I don't know. It's up to you. I'll respect my plans on higher time frame, that's for sure. So Bitcoin here, well, I could see a symmetrical triangle forming here with apex, I don't know, Friday. Let's take a look at the news. Today we have a FOMC minutes, which could move the market up, down, up, down. You know that. It's not the first time when we see FOMC minutes. And if you want to have a good habit for your trading journey, make a habit to put some notes in FOMC, put some notes in the big news. Yeah, how the market reacted, the fake out and the breakout and the fake out again, dark maul, how many times. Yeah, just put some notes, because now if I'll ask you tomorrow what happened in the FOMC, you can tell me with all the details. But if I'll ask you 6 months from now what happened in this FOMC, well, you'll not remember probably. So it's better, yeah, it's better to put some notes. Okay, now let's go back. Actually, today FOMC, tomorrow big news. Beginners, I think the best for you is to stay out. Either you take an idea from Stefan, from me, or someone with experience. Either you stay out, and you can trade only if you have enough discipline to respect the trade. If hit the stop loss, get out. If you still have problems with moving stop loss or doing stupid mistakes, just stay out. Tomorrow should be a really nice nice day from the volatility standpoint. Now let's go back on Bitcoin. Here I could see losing volatility. We can say we have a trend, we are pushing higher. After we'll take the high again, above 66,500. Until then, it's a range. Either we'll take the low below 60k, either we'll take the high above 66. So we have kind of a $6,000 range, which is not bad. It's a bit too early to even call it a range, but we can assume that if we'll take the high, we can push to 69. If we'll take this low, we'll go on long relow zone. So we have a $6,000 range. On daily, it's a bit too early to call it range, but let me just show you a little bit kind of what I see here. Let's go on the range, and that's the range here. Well respecting middle, I like it. Middle of the range, well respected. Why not? So this is our playground for the next couple of days. Let's see Ethereum. Well, you can see we touched long relow zone. We don't have a double in long relow zone. We bounced. We rejected from 2,500, which it's a strong resistance now. I want to play around with the Ethereum. Well, not quite. I don't want. I want to leave Ethereum alone. Ken Uncle is still selling in the opening of New York. Every time is selling some Ethereum. So that will make me stay out. Bitcoin dominance. Well, we discussed this one. You know what I'm thinking here. I even posted this one. You can see the M now. Now you can see the daily M. We waited for that one. Online chart, it's a bit uglier, but if you look at candles, you'll see. Up, down, EM, neckline, breaking down, retest. We are retesting 58. 58%, it's the neckline now. And we discuss it on 4-hour chart. Some guy asked me what I'm thinking on Twitter. I don't really enjoy texting for 5 minutes for Twitter. Texting for Twitter, well, explaining what's happening. Well, watch the videos, join our community if you want our opinion. I don't enjoy to go and stay on Twitter and telling what this means or what I think it means. Okay, so we have kind of an EM here. If we'll break down, that will be nice for altcoins. In the same time, could be a range, and we can stay here and fuck around between 78.6 and 61.8. But we have on daily, we have an M. We confirm that M. If we'll break down, altcoins will outperform Bitcoin, which is nice. We can be more aggressive on some altcoins. We can even put Holy Grail on 5-50 minute chart. Why not? Okay, that's Bitcoin dominance. Looks okay-ish here. So we have all we need. All we need here. We have short reload zone, we have some yams, and on daily we even managed to confirm that one. Well, we should stop in this low, and if we'll accept below 57, 1 full percent, well, that will form a big one on daily. We discussed that already. And that will be a good trigger for us. Well, okay, if this is happening, maybe we can push to 55, even 50%. But we're too early to think like that. Let's stay on 4-hour chart and let's see what will happen. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, let's go back on daily. I could see a small W here and retesting that level. Is that the bottom? I don't know. On weekly we don't have anything. I think in the best scenario we have a range here. But I don't see the strength on Ethereum versus Bitcoin. By the way, guys, this is a public live stream, so if you want, hit the like button. And if you don't like, please hit the dislike 2 times. Yeah? Okay. Share it with your friends. Share the link on Twitter. Make us visible as a community. I prefer to grow the community with your friends. I have a better chance to have serious people here and not moon boys. Yeah? That's our thinking, to enjoy the community, keep the moon boys, not moon boys in the good context, in the bad one, who don't understand anything else. I want to keep the community clean. I don't have anything for example, a guy to join, doesn't know anything, is a moon boy, but is eager to learn. Well, we'll teach them. We'll teach that guy. But if doesn't want to learn, and will ask every day when moon and things like that, and will behave ugly if he doesn't get his answer, or he's behaving ugly in general, you know the drill. We don't like them, we will kick them out. Okay, now the W is there. The W is there on, but I don't see more than that. For the moment, it's just a small double here at the bottom of the range. A nice bounce from the same level that doesn't convince me that we are bullish. Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. Not yet. Okay, DXY. Well, that's why we are not trading opinions. If you remember, I said, well, we are fighting at 100 level. Probably my opinion is that will go down, but let's respect the support and let's wait and see what happens. And even if I was thinking that we'll accept below 100, look what happened. Market bounced. So our opinion doesn't work too much in this market. Doesn't matter if it's me, if it's Stefan, if it's another trader, doesn't matter. If you see people giving you the opinions, well, look, I think that will happen. Okay, it's your 2 cents opinion. Give me a setup, show me some confluences, and then we can talk about it. Yeah, show me a plan, show me a good risk management, and so on. So we bounced. Nice bounce. Let's see what will happen next. We have some small support resistance here, and you can see support and resistance, it's 1 point higher. We'll see. Template here, similar. We put the range. We are still short, guys, with this hedge. Just remember, we are still short, hedging our portfolio. In the same time, we are long from 54 here on 4-hour chart. We should still have some. So we are hedging short and we are 25-30% long from 54,800. You should still have that trade. Not entirely, but you should still have it. We don't know if the market will come back down here or not. Maybe we'll W out and we'll push to the new highs. That 25% could mean something. Okay. Total market cap behaving specifically exactly like Bitcoin. Total 2 kind of similar. Total 3. Well, if we put a W here, not bad. Outside of this downtrend channel, doesn't look bad. Now, yes, uptrend channel still above all-time high. You can see it's forming a range here. It's forming a base above the all-time high. You cannot be too bearish on crypto when you see this strength in ES. Pretty simple, guys. Don't be too bearish here. If we'll accept below that level, okay, maybe we can think something. But for the moment, the market is strong. I'll action in 1 month. a lot of reasons to don't break the market down. So why I still see a lot of people being bearish here? Not necessarily Bitcoin, in general, altcoins. Why you are bearish here? I don't get it. Anyway, their 2 cents, not mine. Uptrend channel valid, nice. Let's see if we'll make new highs in the news or we'll do a fake out here. Just take the retest this all-time high and then push higher again. Expect high volatility today at the end of the New York session in the FOMC minutes, and tomorrow, specifically tomorrow, you'll see ugly volatility. Now let's go on lower time frame and do something. Well, I'll try a 0.5 here. You can see I'm already long. It's still valid setup here. You can see the W. If you take it here with stop loss here, okay. But if you see the market closing or touching this level, maybe it's better to just get out. Huh? Now let's start with 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at some of them. Well, 4-hour chart, if we'll see W's, we can play. I don't have W's yet. Not even here. On Bitcoin on 4-hour chart and maybe 1 hour. I could see 1 hour, I could see a megaphone here. And I said to the VIP from yesterday, watch out, Bitcoin is behaving ugly. Yeah, so you can see. Expanding volatility. Yeah, seek and destroy. Look what happened yesterday. Yeah. In the news, in the New York session, we pushed higher, took the liquidity here. Everyone was bullish. Then we retested this level and we took the lows. We took the liquidity above. We took the liquidity from the downside. Then back in the middle, and then took the liquidity again here. Retested that level, and then back in the middle like nothing happened. Yeah. Ugly pattern to trade. It's not easy to trade something like this. Morning, Stefan. Yeah, ugly pattern to trade. It's up to you. On lower time frame, yeah, it's still possible to make some money, but 62,500, it's kind of a support and resistance here. Just look left. Well respected level, so you can go up and down, up and down. So SFUs everywhere. We'll see. Now, Ethereum, similar, not megaphone pattern, but ugly market. CRV at the same level, dimension making some W's on 1 hour chart. Yeah, altcoins are making W's on 1 hour chart. On 4 hour, not yet. No? E-gold, almost everything looks the same, guys. 1 hour W's and 4 hour not yet. Kind of. Look at this one, it's in the long reload zone. Doge, well, no W, I prefer lower. I'm okay with taking a W above here, but no, not yet. Saga, we discussed about the megaphone, ugly, up and down, expanding volatility. Similar like on Bitcoin, not easy to trade. Tao is aiming out here. And it's accepting back in the range. We discussed this one yesterday. We had two ideas. Either we'll take the SFU, either we'll aim out and we'll go down. Yeah, if you are from VIP, you should be short with Stefan, if I remember correctly. Stefan, you are still short on Tao. You should have that trade. I don't know exactly. If you are not, don't touch this one. If you don't have an experienced guy to tell you when to get out, don't play around with things like Tao, on the short side at least. See you, Sebastian. Okay. Yes, strong, Tia. You can see, if you took this trade, you are underwater, well respected trend line. I'll, like I said yesterday, I'll not close this trade. I'll just keep it. Hit my stop loss next boss. It's not a big deal for me. But I put the trade there. I'll respect the trade. Plan the trades and trade the plan. Nothing to think about here. Hits my stop loss, okay. Hits my take profit, even better. Okay, that's the short list. Not too many things we can discuss today about them. Like I said, look on our chart and you'll see W's on altcoins. 1 4 hour, not yet. It's up to you on your time frame. What do you want to see? If you have requests, guys, we still have kind of 9 minutes from some requests. Up to you. In meantime, if you remember, a stupid trader told you about this shitcoin, meme coin, call it whatever. Here, we discussed this one here. We did some, we got some free position. We reloaded here, and I told you, well, look at this one, is nice, is making W's. We got a double again, more than a double here. We got a retest again, also W's at the same fucking level. And yesterday decided that should go exponentially. And you can see from 47 to more than 10x. Yeah? I don't usually post meme coins. When I'm posting something, in my opinion, will probably pump or it's some value in it. At least in my mind. Yeah? I don't post about meme coins every day. I'm not a degen. Let's call it that way. But when I see something nice, or I think it's nice, I'll post. Because with the risk management, we can do a lot of things. And look what happened with this one. And it's not stopping. I like the volume here. Look at the fucking volume here. Huh? You should chase here? No. You can see I put the low, the high, and you should wait below 002 in the long reload zone. For what? For another W like this. So let it pump, let it cool off, go back down and wait for a W on 4 hour chart at least. Then you can enter again. Don't chase here. If you manage to play with me and you saw the post and you took the trade and you had patience like me and you made some money here, well, good for you. From our original entry, it's more than 10x. You don't find that every day. 10x is a 10x. But at the same time, don't chase here. It's too late. You see my long reload zone, you see 78.6, probably it's a good level. BJ, 3 bar fractal top and 3 bar fractal bottom. It's like you just go and take a 3 bar fractal and go on 5 times or 4 times lower time frame, and you'll see what you see there. Ask me in a live stream on Discord, BJ, about that. Yeah. Market is formed by fractals. The entire market is formed by fractals. Now you can see 3 bar fractal top, 3 bar fractal bottom. Everywhere you see fractals. With a good location, a 3 bar fractal could point out the top, the local top or the local bottom. Like we had here. Look at this one. 3 bar fractal bottom. And we pushed higher. Then we had a 3 bar fractal top. Well, fake out. 3 bar fractal top. Everything is fractal in this kind of chart with candles. And it's just a pattern. You don't wait for an M or for a W. You are just taking the 3 bar fractal. But if you go, let's say you are playing 1 hour 3 bar fractal top, you are trying to play that one. If you go on 5 minute chart, you'll see it's actually that 3 bar fractal top, it's an M. No? Whales. Which one of them? The one I was playing around with? Well, it's at the bottom of the range if you are talking about this one, Bucur. Well, let's look at daily. It's coming back home. I don't see W's. We had W's here. That produced a nice result. Now it's bleeding down. If you want to dollar cost average, okay. If not, just leave it alone. If you have from higher time frame and you want to I don't know, to keep it as an investment, okay. But here you can take some W's. If you see W's, probably it's a good idea to frame a setup. It's fighting 10 cents, Bucur. Yeah, it's fighting 10 cents. Will accept below or not, we don't know exactly. Look at the liquidity, look at the market cap. Could go a bit lower. The lower it goes, more attractive is becoming, because this liquidity is locked here. Huh? They have a working product. Meme coins are starting to pump again, so this one should behave nicely. Maybe it's not the case. Maybe the team doesn't want this one to pump. But I'll do the same. If I'll see Ws, I'll take it. Overall, nice location, you can see. I don't need to draw fibs here. We are getting to the bottom of the chart. Okay. About Bitcoin, 3-bar fractal. Okay, let's see. Let me give you an example about 3-bar fractals, BJ. One second, just bear with me a little bit. Just bear with me a little bit and I'll show you. Okay, this one. Well, on 4-hour chart you have an M here, okay? Which is in a nice location. We shorted this one, we made some money. Well, that's 4-hour chart. Well, on daily it's a 3-bar fractal. You can see it? Huh? Simple as that. Market is made by fractals, up and down. Fractals, fractals. Just put the fractal indicator and you'll see how many signals you get. Request if you have, guys. Request if you have. More requests, I'll gladly take a look. We still have 2 or 3 minutes. Overall, altcoins are at the bottom. Love to see what will happen next on Bitcoin dominance. Looking interesting. So if you'll show me this chart, I'll say short. Look at it. It's looking really nice for a short, but could fail. Let's wait and see. Maybe for luck you will get back down here. Altcoins will pump in that scenario. What's exactly happening when Bitcoin dominance is going down? We have 2 scenarios. Yeah? Even 3 scenarios. But I think everyone knows what's happening. Either Bitcoin is dropping and altcoins are not dropping. Either Bitcoin is pumping and altcoins are pumping more. Things like that. Everyone, I think, understands how the dominance works. Well, I had another meme coin I posted yesterday. It's at the bottom. If you want to take it, community takeover. I don't like it, but look what happened here. Down. I have some coins. I'll sell them. No, I'll just forget about it. I prefer to go to 0. Community takeover, and they sold. They just sold, and they don't care. They'll clean the chart and maybe they'll do another pump. If this one will go back up, I don't know. I don't really trust the meme behind. That's the thing. I don't think it's too attractive for the people. I cannot compare this one with the alpha. Alpha is a strong idea in our heads. Okay, guys. So Bitcoin, watch out. Megaphone on 4 hours, specifically 1 hour. We have FOMC minutes, and tomorrow we have big news. Market could behave ugly. No? Expanding volatility, seek and destroy. Don't be too aggressive. It's what I can say. We'll post trades on premium. We'll post trades on VIP. We can post even if I'll see something bigger than 4 hour chart, I could post on general chat. No? Usually we don't post trades on general chat. So if you want swing trades, you should join premium. If you are just an investor, you can stay on the free part without any problem. If you want to be fed with day trades idea, with scalps, well, then you should join VIP. You know, no? We help everyone, but it's a different thing for a VIP than for a general member. General member should stay on daily and weekly charts. Premium, they could play on 4-hour chart, maybe even some day traders there, yeah. And VIP is day trading. That's how we made this community. I think it's more than nice. Okay, guys, let's not talk too much. Let's call it a live stream. See you in the New York session if you are premium. London session if you are a VIP. I'll just go and trade with Stefan until the end of the session of London. I don't see questions. I don't see requests from your side, guys. So let's call it a live stream. See you next time. Bye bye.